Good morning. Today we are going to deal with the practical number 12, that is applications of binomial and hypergeometric distribution. As we all know, the probability mass function of a binomial distribution is given by probability x equal to x is given by n cx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. X will take value from 0 to n, and mean of binomial distribution is n into p and variance is equal to n into p into q. Now see the first problem. If mean and variance of binomial distribution are 16 and 8, means what is given? Mean is np, that is 16, and npq is the variance, that is equal to 8. Find probability x equal to 0, probability x equal to 1, and probability x greater than or equal to 2. What it means? First you are obtaining the value of p and q. So I will take pq, npq divided by pq, that is 8 divided by 12. This will get cancelled. This divided by this, npq divided by np. So this will get cancelled with this. So you are remained with q equal to 0.5. Is 8 by 60, 0.5, and therefore p equal to 1 minus q, that is 1 minus 0.5, that gives you again 0.5. So this is your p, q, and what you have to obtain? Again you require n also. So n into p is 16, therefore n into p is 0.5 into 16, and this implies n equal to 16 by 0.5, so that will be 32. So you are getting value of n equal to 32, p equal to 0.5, and q equal to 0.5 again. Now what is your first problem? First part, probability x equal to 0. That means in this formula you have to take substitute x equal to 0 here, here, and here. N equal to 32, p value is 0.5, q value is 0.5. So what it is? N means 32, nc 0, p means 0.5 raised to 0, 0.5 raised to 32 minus 0. So nc 0 is 1, anything raised to 0 is also 1. So 0.5 raised to 32, that is whatever value you are getting, get that answer. Similarly, second part is probability x equal to 1 means what? 32c1, 0.5 raised to 1, 0.5 is q, q raised to 32 minus 1. So 32c1 is 32, 0.5 into 0.5 raised to 31. So this will be again 32. So 0.5 raised to 32 into 32. So get the answer. Now third part is probability x is greater than or equal to 2. What it means? 1 minus probability x is less than 2. So this is 1 minus probability x equal to 0 and probability x equal to 1. So this is 0 is already we have calculated, 1 is also we have calculated, get its addition, subtract from 1, that will give the answer to your problem. So these are the three parts in question number 1. Next, question number 2. A missile manufacturer claims that his missiles are successful 90% of the times. That means probability of success is 90%. So that will be 90 by 100. So 0.9. And therefore q equal to 1 minus p. So this is 0.1. You have got the p value, q value. Air Force checks the stock by firing 6 missiles. N equal to 6. What is the probability of getting 5 or fewer successes? So x means what? Less than or equal to 5. So what you have to obtain? Probability x is less than or equal to 5. So this is same as probability 1 minus, maximum are 6, therefore 1 minus probability x equal to 6, greater than or equal to 5 or greater than 5 you can see. Okay, so greater than 5 means it is equal to 6. So just obtain the probability of 6. Probability x equal to 6 is 6c is 6, p is 0.9 raised to the power 6, q is 0.5 raised to 6 minus 6, nc x is 6, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x, n is 6, this is 6. So this 666 is 1. 0.9 raised to the power 6. 0.1 raised to the power 0 means it is 1. So this is your probability. So whatever probability you have got, just substitute here and 1 minus that value give the answer for your problem. Then third question is 7 honest dice. Honest means regular dice which are having the 6 faces. 7 honest dice are rolled. If the occurrence of 5 or 6 is called as success. Success means what? Getting 5 or 6. So probability of X getting a success is probability of 5 plus probability of getting number 6. So in a die throwing experiment, probability of getting any one number, 5 number, 1 number, 2 number, that is equal to 1 by 6, and this is also 1 by 6. So 2 by 6 is the probability, that is 1/3 you can say. That is the probability of success P. So you have got the P equal to 1/3, therefore Q equal to 1 minus 1/3, that will be 2/3. Okay, now find the probability of getting A part is X is equal to 5 successes, B part is at least 5 successes, and at most 5 successes, like that way. So what is the probability X equal to 5? How will you get? Probability X equal to 5, so that will be equal to, first is X equal to 5. So probability X equal to 5 is N. N is how many are there? N. So that will be 6. N equal to 7, because here N equal to 7 because it is tossed 7 times. 7 honest dice, 7 honest dice are there. So N equal to 7, C is 5, 1, P is 1/3 raised to 5, 2/3 raised to 7 minus 5. That is your first part, A part. B part will be X is at least 5 successes. What it means? This is 5 or 6 or 7 successes. So you have got the 5 successes, you have to obtain the probability X equal to 6. That will be 7C6, 1/3 raised to 6, 2/3 raised to 7 minus 6 is 1. Probability X equal to 7, that is 7C7, 1/3 raised to 7, 2/3 raised to 0. And get these values 1, 2, and this is the 3. So therefore probability X is at least 5 success is probability X equal to 5 plus probability X equal to 6 plus probability X equal to 7. That like that way you have to obtain the values of at least 5 successes. Now the C part is at most 5. Next part is at most 5, that is here N is 7 and X is at most means maximum 5 successes. So 5 or less than 5. So this is same as less than or equal to 5. So probability X less than or equal to 5 can be obtained as 1 minus probability X is greater than 5. So this is 1 minus greater than 5 means probability X equal to 6 plus probability X equal to 7. Already we have calculated probability of 6, already we have calculated probability of 7, just add and subtract from 1, that will give the answer for your C part. Now fourth question is, out of 10,000 families, there are 10,000 families who are having boys and girls having 4 children each. So capital N you can write it as 1,000, and 4 children means 4 times the experiment is repeated. N is 4, and probability of success means boy is half and girl is also half. Every time getting a boy and getting a girl is chance is same, therefore P is half, Q is half. How many would you expect to have 2 boys and 2 girls? So you are obtaining probability x equal to 2 boys means automatically 2 girls. So 4C2 half raised to 2 half raised to 4 minus 2. So 4C2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1 half raised to this, and this will be raised to power 4. So this will be 6 into half raised to power 4. Whatever answer you are getting, that you have to give it as a for question number 4. So these are the 4 questions on binomial distribution. Now we will go for the hypergeometric. Hypergeometric means its PMF is given by probability PMF of hypergeometric. Distribution. So this will be probability x equal to x is mcx n minus mc n minus x divided by ncn. So that is the formula. Where what it means? So there are 2 types of atoms. One type of atoms in this population will be m, total population is n. So this will be n minus m, so total population is. When you take a sample of size n, again there will be some x of one type and remaining n minus x of other type in this sample. So this is your x. So how many of that type, that probability you have to calculate. So out of these 10, 2 are vegetarian. So what is the probability of getting out of the getting in a sample of n, getting 2 as vegetarian? Like that way one can obtain from hypergeometric distribution. So what is your first question? First question is, a club consists of 15 men and 10 women. So men is one type, that is m is 15 and n minus m will be 10 and total n is 10 plus 15 will be equal to 25. And a committee of 5 members, that means you take the sample of 5 out of this 25. Committee of 5 members is to be selected without replacement. What is the probability that 3 of committee members are male? So x is male. So 3 will be out of 5, 3 will be from male and remaining 2 are from female. Like that way you have to calculate. So this is, so probability of x equal to 3 you have to calculate. So m is 15c 3, n minus m is 10c 2, because n minus x will be automatically 5 minus 3 will be 2, and ncn is 25c 5. Total capital N is 25, small n is 5. So solve this one and get the answer for the first question, question number 1. Then question number 2, a club has 20 members. Okay, a club has 20 members, that means n equal to 20 members, of which 12 are boys. Means one category is boys, another category will be n minus. So this is not, this is m and this is n minus m will be automatically 8. This minus this will be 8. And 8 are girls. If a committee of 5 is selected, so a small n is 5, and you want to obtain how many of them will be of boys. Find the probability that a committee will consist of 3 boys. X equal to 3 is your first question, and second question is members of same sex. So x will be all 3 are boys, or no boys means all are girls, like that. Sorry, all 5 are boys, or no boys, all are girls means no boys, like that way you have to obtain. So what is this probability? First part is probability x equal to 3 you have to obtain. So this will be 20, sorry, m is 12, 12c3, n minus m is 8c2, because this is total is 5, divided by capital N is 20, small n is 5. This is your first part. Second part is probability x equal to 5 you have to obtain. So this will be 12C5, 8C0 divided by 20C5, and probability x equal to 0 also you have to obtain. 12C0, 8C5 divided by 20C5. So therefore second part is what? X is consists of members of same sex. Same sex means all are boys, all are girls. So this will be probability x equal to 5 plus probability x equal to 0. Here 5 boys, 0 boys means x will denote the boys. So 0 boys means what? 5 girls. So like that. So you are getting the answer for the second problem. And now the third problem is a taxi call company has 10 Tata Indica. One type means M. I will write it as M. M equal to how many? 10 Tata Indica cars and 8 Maruti. So N minus M will be 8. So that total N will be 80. Okay. If 5 of them are in workshop for repairs, so N equal to 5. Find the probability that 2 of them are Tata Indica. So first part is x means for M you are written, therefore x is 2 of them are Tata Indica and remaining are Maruti. So this will be N minus M, N minus x will be automatically 5 minus x will be 3. Second part, what you have to calculate? At least 3 of them are Maruti Alto. X is at least, x equal to at least 3 Maruti. 3 Maruti means what? So they are, this is at least 3 means 4 or 5, 3 or 4 or 5 are Maruti. So what it means? X is, because we have denoted X for Tata Indica, and therefore in terms of Indica what it means? 3 or 4 or 5 means 0 or 1 or 2 are Tata Indica. So what you have to obtain for this one? Probability x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2, and get the addition for that. So that is your second part, 0, 1 and 2, and last part is all of them are of same make. Third part, x is same make. Same make means 5 Tata or 5 Maruti. What it means? 5 Tata or 0 Maruti, 0 Tata. In terms of Tata you are trying. Okay. Now I will solve this. So first part is probability x equal to 2 you have to obtain. So this is M is 10, 10C2, N minus M is 8C, remaining are 3, and total is 18C5. So whatever value you are getting, that is your first part. For second part, probability x equal to 0 you have to obtain, probability x equal to 1 you have to obtain. Probability x equal to 0 means 10C0, 8C5, because this total should be equal to, so n minus x, x is 0, 5 minus 0 will be 5, so 18C5, and probability x equal to 0 and 1. So once you have got this one, probability x equal to 1 you have to obtain. So this is 10C1, 8C4 divided by 18C5. So obtain this value, and this plus x equal to 2. So that will give the answer for the second problem. Now what about the third one? Third problem of same make means probability third one. First you have to obtain probability x equal to 5 means what? So 10C5, 8C0 divided by 18C5, and probability x equal to 0 means what? 10C0, 8C5 divided by 18C5, and then same make means what? So therefore probability x equal to of same make, that is probability x equal to 5 plus probability x equal to 0. ह्या दोन प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय असतील ते सॉल्व करून घ्या. हा रेशो आणि हे जे काही रेशो येईल तो आणि हा येईल तो, सगळे पॉइंट मध्ये उत्तर येतील प्रोबॅबिलिटी असल्यामुळे ही व्हॅल्यू दोघांची ऍडिशन केली की ऑफ सेम मेक अशा पद्धतीने. सो दीज आर दी प्रॉब्लेम्स फॉर application of binomial and Poisson, binomial and hypergeometric distribution. Thank you.